Greetings, everyone. Today we're exploring something truly remarkable. I've delved into a wealth of data from thousands of incredibly successful individuals, and what I've discovered is a fascinating insight. These people lovingly plant their dreams deep into their subconscious minds. Imagine this: you're also planting your dreams deep within your subconscious mind. Now think about bringing this extraordinary information into your own thoughts. It's like entering a peaceful, serene state of meditation where your mind unwinds and gentle alpha waves move freely within. In this state, something magical happens. One of the most effective ways to connect with your subconscious is through visualization. When you picture your deepest desires, it's like you're sowing seeds in your subconscious. These seeds grow into wonderful events and relationships. These moments of luck seem to come out of the blue